Hey, how's it going? My name's Jake. As I was trying to install Minecraft on my new Linux installation earlier, I had an issue with the dependencies, and I just wanted to share how I solved that. And yeah, I'll show you what's wrong, what I'm running into, and how to fix it. So first things first, you want to go download the Debian package from the official Minecraft website. I'll show you what's going on here. So you go to install it. Sorry, something went wrong. And the dependency it's looking for is libgdk-pixbuf 2.0. I actually have that installed. The issue is there's supposed to be a little dash right between here. That's what the official package is called. I'll show you here. You can do an app search. If you see right here, there's a little dash there, and there isn't right here. So that's just an error on the dev's part, or whoever packages the Debian file. So basically the way to fix that is you just want to edit the dependencies, and I'll show you how to do that. So right here, I have my Debian file. So I'm going to run dpkg-deb --R, and then you want to type in the Debian package, and then you want to type in a folder to extract all the files in this package too. So I'm just going to keep it simple and do Minecraft. Now you'll see we have a directory here with all the files from the Debian package. You're going to want to go in here, and you'll see this little directory called Debian, all caps. In here, you have a file called control, and this will have all of the dependencies in it. So just run vim or nano. You could also use a text editor for this if you're not comfortable. Just go in here and open that up, and there you go. But I am going to use Vim. It's just what I'm comfortable with. And then you're going to want to find the libgdk-pixbuf 2. You're just going to want to insert a dash there. Let's save the file. You can cd back to your original directory, and then you're going to want to repackage it. So dpkg-deb space dash b lowercase, and then your directory that you extracted to, and a name for the new Debian package file. So I'm going to call it MinecraftDEB. And just ignore the warnings here, that's fine. And before we continue to the installation, you just want to make sure you have the dependency installed. So first update, and install the dependency. Obviously, I have it installed. Now you can go and install the package normally, and it should work just fine. So that's it. If you guys have any questions, feel free to leave a comment. All the commands, everything, I did a whole write-up in the description here. So anyway, wish you the best. Hope this works for you, and have a good day.